Hi, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Volkswagen Caravelle in the workshop. So this is a T6. So this vehicle has come in for the DMX8021 today. So this unit is wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As you can see, I have my phone paired up now. So that gives us access to Spotify, Google Maps, Facebook Messages, WhatsApp, many other apps. You can, as long as they're compatible, you can use them as well. Let's have a quick look. So we've also got a digital radio. We've also retained the factory OPC, so we've got parking sensors, as you can see, front and rear. We've also got climate control on the screen as well, which is very nice. It's also got an FM radio and the usual Bluetooth audio streaming and hands-free calls. And there's that one there.